what is product-focused value delivery and why are Agile teams getting it wrong? Hey, welcome back to the Agile Edge, where we talk all things delivery, flow, and the mindset shifts that really help teams move faster without burning out. Have you ever worked in an Agile team that ticks all the boxes but feels stuck? You're doing daily stand-ups, you're tracking story points, you've got Jira dashboards that look like a flight deck, and yet delivery is slow, morale is low, and you can't quite figure out why things aren't flowing. What if the issue isn't your ceremonies, isn't your tools, or even isn't your team? What if it's the fact that you're still thinking like a project team when you should actually be thinking like a product team and have a product mindset? Today, we're going to break down what a product-focused value delivery actually looks like and what most Agile teams get wrong. Let's start with the problem. Most teams still operate in project mode. They deliver features, they meet deadlines, they close tickets. But when you ask what value do you actually deliver to users or the business, radio silence. Doing Agile isn't the same as delivering value. This is where product-focused value delivery comes in. Marty Kagan said it best. Best product teams don't just build what they're asked. They figure out what their customers actually need and deliver solutions for that work. That's the heart of product-focused delivery. It's about shifting the mindset from outputs to outcomes. A project mindset says, we're committed to 30 features. We deliver them on time and on budget. A product mindset says, we discovered a user pain point. We tested a few ideas. We released a solution that increased adoption by 40%. Melissa Perry, in Escaping the Build Trap, calls this the biggest trap in modern delivery, focusing on outputs while mistaking them for outcomes. So how does this actually work in practice? Firstly, product-focused teams are long-lived and cross-functional. They don't disband when the release is done. They build domain knowledge. They own their outcomes. Second, the backlog isn't a list of tasks. It's a series of value hypotheses. Each item should answer, what outcome will this drive? How will we know it's worked? Thirdly, delivery is continuous. You deliver early and you deliver often. You run experiments, you talk to users, you treat delivery like a feedback loop, not a pipeline. The McKinsey report 2022 showed that companies that use a strong product operating model were 1.5 times as likely to outperform peers on digital transformation goals. Why is that? Because they focus on value, not activity. So what do Agile teams get wrong? First, they confuse activity for impact. We did a retro, we shipped a sprint. Okay, but did the user actually notice? Secondly, they fall into the feature factory trap, building everything that the stakeholders ask for without questioning whether it actually solves the real problem. And thirdly, they measure velocity but not value. If you can't tie what you deliver to a business or a user outcome, what are you optimizing? As Jeff Goffeld says, if you're not measuring outcomes, you're not doing Agile. You're just delivering software. So what can you do right now? Start with the outcomes, not the features. Ask what behavior you want to change, not what functionality you want to ship. Make the value visible. Link every epic or story to a measurable goal. If you can't measure it, challenge it. And empower your team to discover, not just to deliver. Let them talk to users. Let them kill bad ideas. Let them own the impact. Because Agile without product thinking is just fast delivery of the wrong thing. If this helped clarify things, subscribe to the Agile Edge. We've got more coming on outcome metrics, OKRs, empower teams, and all the ways to actually deliver value, not just velocity. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.